and it becomes the necessary part of Best Selfie. Today, the new generation of Droney will bring you a new experience of selfie. Kimon is with fashionable Q-style look, equipped with removable intelligent high-voltage battery and 45-degree 16-megapixel HD camera. It can capture 4K video, continuous shooting, time-lapse photography, and slow-motion video. Kimon uses the mobile phone app to control. Let's get rid of phone, holding sticks, and start the aerial selfie from now on. Simple selfie function at any conditions can hold the camera towards your face and make your selfie easily. With the 45-degree selfie angle, tap to fly out the beautiful zooming. You can easily become the best selfie. Follow me to take a selfie, and follow to take your selfie wherever you go. 360 degrees surrounding selfie, and it can show you omni-bearing panorama selfie. Rotating a circle can generate the interesting panoramic photos automatically. With the design of optical flow and ultrasonic sensor at the bottom of Kimon, it can be accurately positioning even indoors. Kimon make you fly to selfie. How to shoot, how to share, and it's all up to you.